Good afternoon. I'm coming to you from Albion, Michigan. We're here for another Amtrak station tour. If you're new to the channel, my name is Dan. I'm on a quest to visit every Amtrak station in America. We want you guys to come along with us to all these stations. So we're going to do a station tour, which means we're going to see if we can get inside the building. I'm going to show you the platform, kind of give you a little 360 of what's around the immediate area. So come along with us. Let's go make some memories. But before we get started, have you hit that like button? Have you hit that subscribe button? I'll give you the like button. I'll let you do that at the end of the video. I hope that you like it enough to do it. But make sure you hit that subscribe button now. Alright, so our platform is right here. Very first thing I'll show you guys, the exciting wheelchair lift. And then here's our Albion, Michigan sign here. You see the tracks looking in this direction. Already from here looking down, I see a Shell gas station down there, which looks like it has very expensive gas, but I see a Shell station. So at least there, you can get, chips, candy, snacks, a drink, maybe some bottled water, and usually it'll be cheaper than on the train. Then over here, there's this restaurant called Galazio restaurant. It looks like it's closed at the moment, so maybe it's only open for dinner or certain days of the week. I'm not sure. And let's see what we got down this way. We've got the old station building here. We got a bench. At least there's one bench that's covered that you can sit on the bench here to stay out of the rain. This says Maori Agency, bill pay, bus tickets, and train lobby. Bus tickets looks like it's been erased, so maybe there's no more busing here. Alright, we've got our Albion sign here. Let's see what else we got around this station. Oh, peeking in here. Does that door open? Yeah. Okay, let's go. Hey, let's go. No, I didn't even try. I was just gonna walk around. I'll walk around after. All right. So this is what our train station looks like inside. You've got a men's room here, a women's room. Got a drinking fountain here, so if you need to get a sip, you got a place to sit. Got a sign for Greyhound. Check him out. He looked pretty cool. And then we've got our ticket office here, which is currently open. Somebody's in here working somewhere. And that's pretty much it in here. It's nice and cool with the air conditioning in here, which is great. Then I'll go back outside in a second and show you the rest. 8:15 a.m. Chicago, 10:04 p.m. to Pontiac. If you don't know, Pontiac is just north of Detroit. So we got some commentary on the bench seating inside the station. What do you think?
So 4 out of 10.
4 out of 10 was a little hard.
It was hard and it was so low to the ground, but it was kind of comfy. So 4 out of 10.
What about the restroom? What do you rate the restroom in there?
It was good. 6 out of 10.
6 out of 10. All right.
6 out of 10.
You heard it here first, folks. All right, so the two of us are going to take a little walk around the station here. We left you off last at the Galazio restaurant. You see the water tower up there. Let's see what else we got around here. Tori said she thinks there is a insurance agency that's being used on the other end of the building, that they're using the other end of the building over here. Definitely there's somebody in there. I see people and stuff sitting at a desk. That lady was sitting at a desk at a computer and on the phone. Whoever was in there was eating some food. We've got a smoker out here. There's a couple of lighters people have dropped. Anything else? Let's see. Let's check it out. Doesn't look like too much else. There's a Dollar General store. Let me show you after I get past the tree. See right there. Right there, there's a Dollar General. So that's another good place to go and get some cheap snacks, some cheap drinks. And always keep in mind, you don't have to keep your drinks cold on Amtrak. If you do have a small little cooler, you're more than welcome to take it with you. But you can have warm drinks, because then you just go to the cafe car on the train and ask for a cup of ice, and they'll give that to you for free. And then you can chill your drinks that way. So that's going to wrap up our quick trip here to the Amtrak station in Albion, Michigan. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. It was another one I was able to get inside, so I'm happy about that. You saw the old building inside. It's small, but it works. Keeps you out of the hot, keeps you out of the cold, keeps you out of the rain and snow. So what do you guys think? If any of you have ever traveled through Albion on the train, let me know. I'd love to hear from you. If you've traveled on Amtrak's Wolverine service, let me know in the comments down below. That's another line we're planning on hitting here in the future. If you like this video, please hit that like button. Like I told you before, hopefully you stuck it out this long and you did in fact like it. Don't forget to subscribe. Share this video, you know, with anybody who's an Amtrak enthusiast, a train enthusiast, because that's going to help my channel grow. The more my channel grows, the more of these stations I'm going to be able to bring to you guys. So everybody who watches, likes, comments, I appreciate each and every one of you. I truly do. Because if it wasn't for that, I wouldn't even be able to get started on going out and doing this stuff. But I could still use some more help. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you on the rails. See you on the roads. See you soon.